Hi, it's Mrs. Murray again. We're going to talk about how to measure resistance with our multimeter. And this time you'll notice with our simple series circuit, our switch is open, okay? So our circuit's connected, our switch is open. Our black lead is in the bottom on our multimeter, and our red lead is where the omega sign is, okay? So you know your answer is going to be in ohms. Okay, we take the dial and we turn it to either 200 ohms or 20 ohms, whichever is least. And we turn this on. Okay, right now you see this 1. This means that the resistance is so enormous. Okay, the reason the resistance is enormous is because electricity can't jump through there. So this is like a non-answer. So if you see this, the 1 and then the period, okay, with all the spaces, okay, that means you're reading enormous resistance. So let's put this down, and the first thing we're going to read the resistance over is the battery. Okay, you notice we cannot get a resistance reading over the battery. Okay, we also can't get one over the switch, which makes sense. The switch is open. Okay, now if we look at the, I'm wondering what I have plugged in wrong here because I'm not getting a reading. Okay, there we go. If we hold it tight to the light bulb. With resistance, it's especially important you're making good electrical contact, because if you're not holding it tight, you're going to get a bigger resistance than you should. So we're getting about 4.9. Notice I'm really holding it tight. Then if we look at the resistor, I'm getting about 6.1, 6.0. Bounces around a bit, but use the smallest number because that's when you're really holding it tight. Okay, once again, don't see anything over the switch, and we don't get anything over the battery. Just the light bulb, we have the resistance of, whoops, see how hard it is? 5.0. Really got to hold it on there. And the battery, or not the battery, the resistor, 6.0. If I really hold it on there tight, make good electrical contact. Okay, so that's it for how to measure the resistance. Thank you.